What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you a simple method on how to sketch a raven. Let's begin today's lesson on the top right side of our page and sketch out a circle for the head. We'll start from the very top. Just going to loosely work our way around towards the bottom of that circle. Go all the way around the right side. Now the circle doesn't have to be perfect, we just want to get the right size and location. Now I'm going to move to the left side of our circle and draw a straight angle line coming down the back towards the end of the tail. Just bring this down and now towards the end. And then from that same point, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right, just past the side of our circle. Now you want to tuck the body in underneath the edge of the tail. So we're going to find the halfway point. So right about here, we're just going to mark this off. Move back and mark this again. Now from here, we're going to curve the body coming down. Just pull that up towards the right side of our circle. So just bring this down towards the bottom edge of the body. And then pull that up towards the right side of that circle. Now from here, we're going to draw the inside edge of the wing coming down towards the bottom and out towards the end. So we'll start up here on the back. Curve this in towards the bottom of our circle. Just round this out, come down towards the bottom. I'm just going to curve the wing coming down and then back out. Let's add the base of the leg underneath the body. Just going to curve this down and then back up. Let's angle the leg coming forward. Now it's going to roughly block out a stump. Start with a straight line. On the left, come down. And then on the right, we'll just widen this out towards the bottom. Now let's go back to the right side of our circle. Just going to curve this in with a half circle towards the middle and then bend that back out. Now we're going to add some shape to the beak. Starting from the top, go straight out. And then we just want to bend that down towards the tip of the beak. Now from the tip, we're just going to curve this down and then bend that in towards the head. Let's go to the top edge of that half circle, draw a small circle for the eye. Now that we have a rough sketch, let's go back and refine the shape and add a second level of detail. Let's start by rounding out the back of the neck. Just going to curve this down and then out towards the wing. Let's round out the head just underneath the beak. Now we're going to add a layer across the top of the wing. So we curve this out and bend that down towards the end. Now draw a straight angle line going up towards the front of the wing. Now I'm going to go in with the side edge of our pencil and add a light even shade to the entire body. So we'll start on the left side and just fill this in. Now I'm going to move up with the tip of our pencil and start adding some detail around the eyes. So we'll start by tracing out that circle. Add a small highlight circle on the top. Add a curve along the bottom. Now let's fill the center of the eye going around those highlights. Add a little bit of a point on the left side. And then from here, it's going to work our way up across the top of the head. Just going to add a few feathers. Pulling out from the top. I'm just adding a little bit of a hair texture along the top of the head. And from here, just work our way across the beak. I'm just going to use the side edge of our pencil to add a little bit of texture along the inside of the beak. Now adding a little bit of shading and a little bit of highlight along the top edge. just going to darken up the inside of the head around the beak, going towards the eye. And we'll continue with the side edge of our pencil and add that texture and contrast inside the head. Starting off dark along the top and left side, and just bringing that in towards the eye. I'm just adding a little bit more volume to the wings. And we're just adding those layers inside the wing with the feathers. we'll go back with the tip of our pencil and refine the detail. As we get closer to the end of our drawing, I'm just going to tighten up the detail and add a little bit more contrast, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a raven. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.